Hello, Lovisa. William HMart na. Ooh, look at that. It's beautiful. My mamong. This is mango. The price. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. About wholesale. Ooh, mango again. This side have orange. This orange is delicious. And then they have apple. They have corn. 51 cent each. What kind of corn? I think it's yellow corn. And then they have jackfruit. They have this grape. Okay, I'm gonna buy one grape. They have everything in here. Look, HMart. Let's see what they have in here. Cinnamon. I don't know. Plum. Leaf. Oh, the guava is so big. Did my sister-in-law see the guava? It's her favorite. Look at the mango. Wow. Never see those type of mango before. And she sold out rambutan, some green vegetable. Up here they have this. They have the lettuce. Right now we're not supposed to use the lentil and lettuce. They have some type of bacteria. But let's see. Turning around, we have this fruit. We have this fruit. If I turn this side, we have watermelon. We have papaya. I actually really like papaya. I'm gonna get one papaya. That's up apple, banana. I think we come too late. I think like a lot of things sold out. Those are mushrooms. I actually want pineapple, but the thing is still green. So green equals sour. I don't do sour. Green papaya. I don't know this one, but it looks delicious. And then this kind of banana, maybe it doesn't call banana, it's called plantations. Ginger, garlic, potato. Look at the eggplant. You guys see the eggplant? A lot of eggplant, cabbage, cucumber. Yeah, this kind of eggplant too. Oh, this is one of my favorite vegetables up here. And those are green beans. Oh, they do have all this green. If you're lazy, you buy this. It's already cut. Okay, over here you have dry fruit, jujube, date. Actually, they call date. And over here they have some yam. Over here they have some potatoes. Here they have some pepper, vegetables, and I'm gonna turn around. They have some beans bowl, whole food. Over here have some dry stuff, frozen stuff. I think I know this stuff. Pumpkin. They have noodle. And then I'm gonna go back to this side. We have cabbage. This is so good too. I like this too. I like to make hot pot using these items. And over here, let's see what they have. Over here they have this type of vegetable. Fresh produce. Let me take you guys to the mid-sections. HMart pretty big in here. I don't know if HMart come from Korea or come from America. Ooh, what is this? Can you eat those right away? Oh yeah, this stuff you can eat right away, I guess. Oh, this is the stuff for you to do hot pot. And then they have some more thing, dry mango. This is Canada money. We in Canada. This is not USD. Oh, yummy, yummy fish. Yummy, yummy fish. They're always clean and hot. Long me. 20% off. I like it how they always hot and clean. Oh, you can eat right away. Sushi. Oh, that's what they call sashimi. Sashimi. What's in here? Oh, look. They for $12. Oh, the fish. This is the stuff for the kitchens. Wow, look at the fish. Yummy. Then over here, all this is a bar. Lobster, crab. Oh, alive. And then here, Korean barbecue. This is good for barbecue, Korean barbecue and hot pot. And look, over here, they have pork, I guess. So there must be, they look like beef, but oh, there's a cow or pork. There's a pork, but then over here is beef. So just look at how fine cut that is. Look at that. Okay, you guys check out over there. If you guys check out, I can check out. My niece called me looking for me. So I'm gonna run fast. This is pork for sure. Korean people cut everything so nicely and they're so clean and organized. I love Korean store. Right here. It's like this. It's like this. I adore Korean store. When I go to Korean store, I just don't want to get out. This is a coffee, huh? Okay, I'm gonna get some coffee for my brother, Mr. Brown cappuccino. Cappuccino. I coffee, but here I'm buying this for my brother. I'm not sure he like it or not. I don't even know if he do this stuff or not. And then over here have some cereals. Okay, keep going. Then chip. And then everything. And then some easy food pop into a microwave or steam them. I almost done. They're looking for me, so I say I almost done. Ice cream over there. The noodle looks so good. It made me want to eat everything. Everything looks so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go pay my item. Oh, look at all the beautiful cake right here. The cake is so fine. Oh my goodness. What's that? Big shot. Okay, I don't know where my sister is. Ooh, look at all the cold drink. Cold drink. Look at that. The people work very hard. I don't know where's my niece at, my sister-in-law at, but let me end the video in here because I'm going to check out. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye bye.